everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. It is the end of the month, which means it is time for another favorites video, and this is just going to be my December 2017 favorites, which wraps up 3 years of me doing favorites videos. So if you guys would like me to continue doing these in 2018, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. And if you have missed any of my past favorites videos, I will have the playlist linked down below for you guys. And as always, I will have all the products mentioned in this video listed down below in case you guys are interested in purchasing any of them. So without further ado, let's get started. First up on my favorites list are a bunch of skincare products. The first one is just a new cleanser that Cetaphil came out with, and it is the Cetaphil Derma Control Oil Control Foam Wash for acne prone skin. It is a foaming face wash like the name suggests, and up until now I've never used one of these, but let me tell you, I like foaming face washes better than a normal cleanser, and this product has made such a difference in my skincare routine. I have had a lot less breakouts since I started using this, and the best part is that the label is not a lie. It says at the bottom that it is a calming formula that won't over dry skin, and I can tell you for a fact that is true. More skincare products I've been using this month a ton is the BioClarity Skin Clear System. It is a 3-part system, and you use it both in the morning and at nighttime. And if you guys would like to get 50% off your first month's order on BioClarity, which includes all 3 of these products but does not include the hydrate, you can use the coupon code BIO50. And BioClarity's motto is clean, green, and never mean, and it even says it right on the box. First up, you have step 1, which is cleanse, and this is just the cucumber green tea and chamomile one. It smells absolutely amazing. I don't know how to describe it because we all know I'm so bad at describing scents. And then you were supposed to go in with step 2, which is just the treat portion. It is a 2% salicylic acid and oat kernel acne treatment gel. And then lastly, you go in with the restore, and this is called Floralux, and I really like this because it does come with a pump on the tubing. And then you can also buy things separately like this. This is just the Hydrate Skin Smoothie, and it has Floralux, argan, and olive in it, and this is probably the best moisturizer I have ever used on my face. So all 3 of these products have definitely made a difference in clearing out my skin, and it literally took about a week for me to notice any changes, which normally with skincare things you have to wait like a month to see results. I saw results within a week. If you guys would like to see an entire video on how to clear up acne, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. So this next favorite's a pretty random one. It is a trash can, and it is one of the Sterilite slim trash cans, which as you guys can see, it is really slim, which is nice, hence the name Slim Fit. And I really like this because it fits in small spaces, so I'm able to actually fit this between my desk and my TV stand. And the best part is that I got this at Walmart for $1 because it was in the clearance section, and it is by the actual Sterilite brand. And then I also have a new glasses favorites. You've heard me mention them before, but I got another pair of glasses from a company called Firmoo. They are a completely online glasses company, and you can still get prescription lenses. Mine are, and I absolutely love these. This is my last pair that I got from them that I included in my August favorites, but I was in the market for some new ones because as you guys can see, these ones are definitely pretty loose on my face. I love them and everything, but I wanted some that were smaller and fit my face better, and so I got these ones, and they fit absolutely perfectly. I think they're so cute, and they are just black and pink, and since I have a really small face, I just think they fit my face a lot better than the other ones. And also, Firmoo is actually doing a really great deal where you can buy 2 pairs of glasses for the price of 1. So be sure to use my coupon code and link in the description box to get that deal. It is an awesome deal, and it's really easy. They have a ton of different styles you can choose from. Just be sure to measure your pupillary distance before you do it because some lenses are larger than others. These frames, which are my old ones, were a medium frame, and these ones are a narrow frame, and I can definitely tell you a narrow frame fits me a lot better. I have had no issues with these slipping down or anything. I can move my head in all different directions, and they are perfectly fine. And overall, I just feel I can see better out of them as well. And I would wear my glasses in videos more often, but I literally have to sit like this in order for there not to be a glare on them, because when I sit like this, you can obviously see my studio box lighting, and I just feel sitting like this for an entire video is a little weird. So I am gonna go ahead and take these off, but I did want to let you guys know about that great offer and let you guys know I have been loving these. I've also recently been loving the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, and this is the original one, and it is the travel or deluxe size as they like to call it, and I've been using this for the entire month and included it in my holiday makeup tutorial, which if you guys missed, I will have it linked down below. I have been in love with this, and this is actually almost gone, which is pretty sad because I absolutely love it. It is very similar to the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. However, this one is definitely a lot better quality and makes your eyeshadow last longer. And this one is definitely worth the money, and I will definitely be repurchasing it. Moving on to scented things, I just have 3. 2 of them are from Bath & Body Works. The first one is one of their wax melts, and this is the Fresh Balsam Wax Melt. As you guys know, I love their wax melts. I think they are great quality, and they are definitely worth the money. It's not like one of those scents that wears away after you use it a couple times. This you can probably use for a good month and get away with it. And anyone who knows me knows that Fresh Balsam is my absolute favorite scent from Bath & Body Works, and I was so excited because I actually got the candle and some more of the wax melts for Christmas. And another Bath & Body Works product I've been in love with is another one that I did get for Christmas, and it is one of the pocket backs in one of the little holders. This holder is really cute. It is like clear with pink and gold glitters, and it goes really well with the packaging for the sanitizer. This one is the Merry and Bright Sparkling Icicles one, and I love it. It smells so good. It's a very citrusy and fruity, and it's just one of those scents that you want to start your day with. And I've been keeping this on my purse since I got it a few days ago. And my last scent related favorite is a spray. This is the Glade Spray air freshener, and it is the Pet Fresh scent. If you guys don't know, I do have 4 cats, and any animal is gonna give somewhat of a smell between their fur, the litter box, food, everything like that. So this has definitely been keeping the house smelling really fresh. And this is one of those sprays that even if I didn't have pets, I would probably still gravitate towards because it does smell so good. And my last 2 favorites for the month are both food related. The first one is a green juice, and this is the Bolthouse Farms Green Goodness with 13 servings of fruit per bottle, no sugar added, and it is a 100% fruit juice smoothie. I have been trying to eat healthier. If you guys haven't seen, I am starting a weight loss journey. I will have that video linked down below for you guys. And one of the things I have definitely incorporated more into my diet and everyday life is juices for breakfast instead of eating something like pancakes or toaster waffles or a bagel. So instead, I'm starting my day off with a green juice, and I don't like green juices that have vegetables. And so far, this is the only one I can find that doesn't have vegetables that is still really good for you. And in here, there are 3 apples, 1 pineapple, 3 3/4 of a mango, a banana and a half, and a kiwi and a half. So it is all fruit, and it tastes so good. I know the look of it is not appealing. However, I can tell you for a fact that it tastes delicious because I wouldn't be drinking it if it didn't. And this is my probably 5th or 6th bottle this month. And my last favorite for the month is these tomatoes. These are the Sunset Sweet Bites. And I was really drawn to this because it's in a little pail, and I think that was adorable. And I was really drawn to it because it comes with a tomato container. So this tomato container has been one of my favorites this month. It is adorable, and literally you take it and you put cherry tomatoes in it, and it keeps them from getting like smushed in your lunchbox. And since I am trying to eat healthier, I have been snacking on cherry tomatoes. I just love it, and the tomatoes don't get smushed, which is nice. So those are all my favorites for the month of December. Like I said in the beginning, if you guys would like me to continue doing these in 2018 for the 4th year in a row, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. I am more than happy to continue doing them for you guys. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload 2 to 3 new videos a week, and would love it if you would become part of the Allie Pack squad. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!